8132. A turbine engine compressor which contains vanes on both sides of the impeller is A. Double-entry centrifugal compressor. B. Double-entry axial flow compressor. C. Single-entry axial flow compressor. The correct answer is A. Double-entry centrifugal compressors are those that have vanes on both sides of the impeller. 8133. What is the first engine instrument indication of a successful start of a turbine engine? A. A rise in engine RPM. B. A rise in oil temperature. C. A rise in the exhaust gas temperature. The correct answer is C. A quick increase in exhaust gas temperature is the first sign of a successful start when starting a gas turbine engine. 8134. Some engine manufacturers of twin-spool gas turbine engines identify turbine discharge pressure in their maintenance manuals as A. 0.7, B. 0.2, C. 0.7. The correct answer is A. In gas turbine engines, the letters point typically refers to total pressure. Total pressure is the sum of static pressure and dynamic pressure in a fluid flow. It represents the total energy contained within the fluid. In the context of turbine discharge pressure, 0.7 specifically refers to the total pressure measured at a specific location within the engine. The 7 in 0.7 denotes the location where the pressure is measured, which is typically downstream of the turbine section. Turbine discharge pressure is an important parameter to monitor and maintain within specified limits to ensure proper engine performance. It provides information about the pressure level at which the exhaust gases exit the turbine section. 8135. Who establishes the recommended operating time between overhauls, TSO, of a turbine engine used in general aviation? A. The engine manufacturer. B. TSO does not apply to turbine engines. C. The aircraft manufacturer. The correct answer is A. The engine manufacturer is responsible for designing, manufacturing, and providing maintenance recommendations for their turbine engines. As part of their product support and service, they determine the recommended TSO, which specifies the operating time or usage interval at which the engine should undergo an overhaul. The TSO takes into consideration factors such as engine design, materials, performance, and operating conditions. It is based on extensive testing, analysis, and experience with the engine to ensure its reliability and longevity. The TSO is an important guideline for aircraft operators and maintenance personnel, as it helps determine when an engine overhaul is due. Following the manufacturer's recommended TSO helps maintain the engine's performance, safety, and compliance with warranty and regulatory requirements. 8136. The basic gas turbine engine is divided into two main sections, the cold section and the hot section. 1. The cold section includes the engine inlet, compressor, and turbine sections. 2. The hot section includes the combustor, diffuser, and exhaust sections. Regarding the above statements, A. Only one is true. B. Only two is true. C. Neither one nor two is true. The correct answer is C. The basic gas turbine engine is typically divided into two main sections, the air intake section and the gas generator section. The air intake section, sometimes referred to as the cold section, includes the engine inlet and the compressor. The engine inlet is responsible for directing the airflow into the engine, while the compressor compresses the incoming air to increase its pressure and density before entering the combustion chamber. The gas generator section, often referred to as the hot section, includes the combustor, turbine, and exhaust sections. The combustor is where fuel is introduced and burned, generating hot gases. The hot gases then flow through the turbine, where the energy in the gases is extracted to power the compressor and other engine accessories. Finally, the exhaust section directs the flow of exhaust gases out of the engine.